Sir, what is the use of Hamamelis? Just you have prescribed Hamamelis in hemorrhoids patient.
Hamamelis is the remedy one must learn. Hamamelis has a very specific vascular action specifically. Vessels, the coating of blood vessels, the dilatation, the relaxation of blood vessels. It is marked tendency towards the bleeding hemorrhoids where venous hemorrhages are very, very strong with Hamamelis. Hamamelis controls that very easily. You get the dilatation of blood vessels over there, the piles which are engorged, piles full of blood, and there is a lot of passing of blood. That is characteristic. If you just open your Borix Remedy, the first paragraph which we'll learn, and then we'll understand what is the depth of Hamamelis in such types of cases. If you have Borix, just open the Borix, what he says in the first paragraph. Just see. Venous congestions, hemorrhages, varicose veins and hemorrhoids with bluish soreness of the affected parts seems to be special sphere of remedy. Whole remedy is explained in this sentence. Whole remedy. You can find it out. Venous congestion. So congestion in blood vessels, specifically the veins. Hemorrhages, varicose veins. See the action. Varicosity. Again, very important remedy. Hemorrhoids. Again, vascular problem. With bluish soreness of the affected parts. Bluish soreness means as if there is a blunt injury, and the soreness which develops after blunt injury is bluish soreness. This type of affection you get in hemorrhoids, Hamamelis, acts upon the coats of veins, causing relaxation with consequent engorgement. See, there is a action specifically upon the venous coats, the blood vessel, the coats of the blood vessels, and there is a relaxation. And that's why if the blood vessel is like that, if you want to stick it becomes relaxed, engorged, and there is lot of blood inside that. This is typical, you can see. If you see the hemorrhoids are full of blood. It is engorged. That feeling is typical. You can observe hemorrhoids, engorgement. Passive venous hemorrhages from any part. It is not only with hemorrhoids, any part. It might be epistaxis, it is passive hemorrhage, it might be sometimes from the stools, anywhere. Even in females, the passive hemorrhages, you can find it out over there. Great value in open, painful wounds with weakness from loss of blood. So, open wounds where blood is oozing continuously and there is a weakness. Always think about this Hamamelis. And last very important symptom which generally overlooks after operation supersedes the use of morphia. So post operative, to control the pain, people gives the morphine's derivative. Instead of giving morphine derivatives, it is always better to give the Hamamelis, and it covers that pain. That is the very important use. At the same time, it controls the bleeding also. And for that purpose, you can either use arnica. Along with arnica, you can add the Hamamelis in such types of cases. The potency generally used to be very useful is 30 or 200 depending upon the susceptibility of the person. So is it clear? So why I have prescribed the remedy?
Yes.
Okay.